Hi guys, I'm Russell from Kap Industries. This is the installation procedure for a Mazda BT50 or Isuzu DMAX and MUX from 2020 onwards. The procedure is super easy. My brackets, they bolt in with the factory seat bolts. They come with the hardware required to install any fire extinguisher. Just make sure you use one with a metal cage, like this one here today. It's super easy to install. You just need a T50 Torx bit and a ratchet, and a couple of 8mm spanners for those M5 nuts and bolts. With your T50, just remove those two front seat bolts. Now we install the extinguisher cage onto the bracket, utilising those two M5 nuts and bolts. Tighten them up with your two 8mm spanners. After you've installed the cage onto the bracket, simply lift the seat up and slide the bracket under and reinstall your two front bolts. Tighten them by hand first so that you don't cross-thread them. Then just tighten them straight down. Then slip the extinguisher inside its cage and clip it all up. There you go, all installed, really, really easy. It doesn't interfere with the seat movement, and having a fire extinguisher within arm's reach is a really critical thing for safety. Well, thank you so much. Grab one today.